Hello guys! So, magandang hapon. Kamusta kayong lahat? Sana ay blessed kayo ngayong araw. So, today ay, day is 9th of December, tapos 2:40 na ng hapon. Ayan. So, meron lang akong i-share sa inyo guys na nangyari kahapon. So, today is Tuesday, and then nung Friday, nagkasakit kami ni Aliyah. I started having sore throat. And then si Aliyah started having high fevers. So, nag-medicate lang ako, tsaka si Aliyah. Si Aliyah kasi, we just give her Calpol. Wala nang pwedeng ibigay sa kanya. Kung may mga sakit-sakit siyang ubo, sipon, ganun. So, and then, here comes Monday. Hindi pa rin siya gumagaling, guys. She's getting worse and worse. Hindi gumagaling yung ubo niya. But, it's getting worse na hindi siya makahinga ng mabuti. So, I rang our consultant. Ang aming GP, doctor. And then, he said to see us. So, sabi niya, okay, well, I'll see you. And then, pumunta kami sa GP surgery. Chinek ni doctor siya, yung chest niya. Parang may narinig siya na wheezing. Tapos, chinek niya agad-agad yung O2 sats niya, yung oxygen level ni Aliyah dito sa fingers. And then, biglang mababa. It was 82. Ang pinakamababang nakita ko sa reading niya was 82% ng O2 saturation niya. And then, umuubo siya. So, and then, nag-vomit na siya ng mga 4 times before we went to the GP. Hindi din siya umiinom, hindi siya kumakain. Then, yung napi niya, hindi yung napupuno. So, itong si doctor, bigla siyang lumabas, kinuha niya yung nebulizer. So, guys, ninebulize niya si Aliyah kasi nga, yung breathing niya talagang ganun na siya. So, heavy breathing talaga. So, nung after mga 10-15 minutes na after ng nebulizer, umokay yung kanyang breathing or respiratory rate. Tsaka medyo naging kalmado yung pag-breathing niya. Breathe in, breathe out niya. So, sabi ni doctor, I think I need to send you to the hospital. Dito kasi guys sa UK, hindi ka basta-basta pumupunta sa hospital, sa A&E, kung hindi life-threatening ang iyong sakit. Okay? They encourage us not to go, especially winter time kasi sobrang busy. Ang daming taong nagkakasakit pag winter. So, they encourage us not to go straight to the A&E. Consider to see your GP, consider seeing pharmacist, kung masakit lang yung ears mo, yung mga ganon. So, obviously, kung isi-send ka ng isang doktor sa hospital, kailangan na kailangan. Talagang emergency yun. Lalo na bata, yung pasyente natin. So, tumawag siya, and then, narinig ko over the phone na, yun nga, si Aliyah is having a respiratory regression. Meron din siyang tugging of the tracheal. Tapos, coughing, and difficulty breathing. Tapos, yung O2 saturation nga niya is mababa. So, anyway, sinend kami ni doctor sa hospital. And then, pagdating namin doon, dire-diretso na kami sa loob ng A&E. Hindi na kami na-triage. Kasi nga, may referral na kami from the GP. So, nandun kami, chinek yung, mga pulse niya, mga O2 saturation niya, mababa pa rin. So, ang ginawa nila, inoxygenan na nila si Aliyah. And then, siguro mga after an hour and a half, binigyan na naman nila ulit siya ng nebulizer na 2 ampoules. Lady, no? So, andun kami guys sa A&E from 5:30 ng hapon hanggang umalis kami doon 1 a.m. Ganun siya katagal. Kasi inobserbahan nila siya. Kung gagaling siya, siguro pauuwiin kami. Tsaka ang narinig ko din sa mga nurses sa station, walang available na bed sa room ward, which is the children's ward. So, ang nangyari, 1 a.m., nandun na kami. So, syempre, we had to settle down. We had to, ayusin yung mga gamit namin. And then, si Andy needed to come home because bawal ang dalawang parents magstay. Isa lang dapat. Lady, no. No. So, ako yung nagstay, obviously. So, nakatulog naman kami agad. Kami ni Aliyah. Ayun, guys. So, pagdating namin doon, inoxygenan pa rin si Aliyah. And then, yung O2 saturation niya was okay na. Nasa 90s na. So, meaning, nag-i-improve na. Hanggang sa, chinecheck pala kami nung nurse every hour. Then, kami ni Aliyah nakatulog. So, sabi niya, buong gabi daw, buong oras na nandun kami, maganda yung observations ni Aliyah. So, kaninang umaga, pumunta yung doktor na maaga, 6:30. Nandyan na siya. Nag-rounds na siya. Tapos, sabi niya, bibigyan natin si Aliyah ng medication, pero uuwi na kayo. So, ayun na nga guys, we stayed at the ward sa children's unit ng hospital na pinagtatrabahuan ko. And then, this morning, pumunta na yung mga doctors to give the instructions. So, prescribe sila ng salbutamol inhaler for Aliyah. Oh my goodness. I only see this sa aking sister. I never used this before. Alam mo yung gumagano'n. Salbutamol. Ayan. Kasi yung ate ko, meron siyang asthma. Anyway, now Aliyah needs to use this if she needs to and if she's having a heavy breathing or yung nagwi-wheezing sound siya. So, binigyan din kami nitong spacer na tinatawag nila. So, ang gagawin mo dito, kasi bata pa lang si Aliyah, diba? Hindi niya pa kayang i-tolerate to. You have to put it like this one. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, i-press mo siya. And then, kailangan, so, nandito na yung medicine, diba? Kailangan niyang ma-breathe yung medicine 10 breaths. 10 breath. That's what I mean. So, ito yung binigay sa akin na tawag dito is Flovue. Flovue. Ayan. So, only use it when she's having heavy breathing. Then, binigyan din si Aliyah ng Deflam. So, ito is pampanam ng throat para makakain si Aliyah. Kasi kung masakit yung throat niya, hindi siya kakain ng madami. Yun yung sabi ng doctor. So, they prescribe her the Deflam na benzidamine hydrochloride na spray sa throat. And then, we also have 1 week open access sa doon sa children's ward. So, we don't need to go to our GP anymore. Kung if ever mag-worsen yung kanyang situation now, na hindi siya gagaling, we can always go back sa ward or day children's unit ang tawag to assess her, na hindi na kami dadaan sa triaging, sa doctor, triaging, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi step by step dito guys hindi ka basta-basta makakarating sa consultant. Hindi. Dadaan ka talaga sa triage na isasalain ka talaga kung saan ka kailangan pumunta. Tsaka kailangan mo bang mag-move forward or kailangan mo lang, kailangan mo lang gumawa ng mga dapat mong gawin muna dito or i-move forward ka nila. Ganun dito guys ang patakaran, sistema ng healthcare. But lahat ito guys sa atin dito sa UK, all free. I only had to say thank you and magpapasalamat ka lang pag alis mo. As in, zero ang binayaran namin. Look at the star, and the star is shining through. You say bye-bye. Yeah, that was a quick turnaround, which is really good.
It's checked out inside out.
Yeah, we're all good to go.
For the view.
Oh, they have one here. Two, not just one. They use that when they go to the theaters, I think. I'm back, Dad. Thank you so much. Cheers. Let's go. Halika. Look at her now, I'm so busy now. Yeah, this is where I work.
Oh, that's where they live where money were. Okay. Yeah.
Pa. Pa. Aliyah. Aliyah. I hope I can get my coffee back now.
Huh?
I was hoping I'll get my coffee.
Yeah, me too. I was thinking about that.
Oh, look, Aliyah, look, there's a sleigh. Can you guys make her sit there? Wait. Can you get